Hi, Amelia here in California. I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I am a girl who has huge dreams and even bigger ideas on how to make those dreams come true. Previously, I used to manage a luxury retail store. I did that for around 5 years, made that company a lot of money, but knowingly I didn't make myself a lot of money because I was stuck there about 52 hours a week. I knew that my dreams would have to be put at a standstill until maybe my late 60s. But by then, would I really have the means and the energy to open the dance school of my dream? My dream is to open up a ballet school for handicapped children. And I needed a way to support that. So I ventured into network marketing about 2 years ago. I went against all my mentors' advice on choosing a company, and I chose a dinosaur in the industry, 23 years old. Let's just say that company did me wrong, but I didn't lose faith in network marketing. I went back out on my search and quest for a great company. I asked my mentor, I said, what do I need to do? What do I need to look for in a company? He looked at me and said, you know what to look for because now you know what not to look for. And I found Forevergreen. Forevergreen, I love it. I'm so compassionate and really over the top with excitement about this company because this company is going to help me support my dream and my passion of my dance school because I'm going to need to make $50,000 a month to be able to support that school and myself. In the next 3 years, I'm going to do that. And I'm looking for key partners who want to build their own success, who want to make $25,000 to $50,000 a month. And it's very possible and doable with this company. So if you think that's you, I want you to contact me and we'll talk and see if this company is right for you. And if it is, let's get on the path of success and create that success together as a team. I look forward to speaking with you and hope you're having a wonderful day.